Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how we can simply go ahead and fix your chat GPT not working problem. But before we start with our video, as usual, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So if you're just going to your, first of all, let's go to our phone browser there, and you will tap on chat.openai.com. So if you're simply getting a problem right there trying to get back to your account, you can simply go ahead and tap on this login option. I will do the same. Sometimes even if it seems like a small issue, but you will have to always make sure that you go ahead and check your internet connection, guys, because if it's not good, then that can be one of the problem as well. So what you got to do is you can simply go ahead and switch to another network connection if you have available, or you can simply go ahead and switch to your mobile data instead over here. So I will go ahead and add in your information correctly over there. If your account is connected with the Google, Microsoft, or Apple, simply try again as well, and you will simply add in the information and tap on this continue. If it's still not fixed, it's still not working, then what you can do is go to your search bar and type in status.openai.com and tap on this OpenAI status given. And as you can see here, you can simply check out how is ChatGPT is doing, like if there is any error from the ChatGPT itself. You can see ChatGPT site outage. So you can see in May 25, 2023 it was updated that there was a problem recording a ChatGPT site outage. So if this is the case, then you cannot blame it on your network or anything. You can simply go ahead, check the status, again go back and try to log into your ChatGPT. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. If you got more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I will see you guys next time.